Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because first of all, I'm creating this really pretty antique gold halo smoky eye for you guys, and I have not done a halo smoky eye in a hot minute, so I'm finally bringing it back, and I'm going to be creating this look using the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. Look at this packaging. It just looks delicious and like honey. I love it. And then let me show you the inside. The inside is so beautiful. But let me be honest, when I first saw the palette all over Instagram, I was not really excited about it. I thought it was just going to be kind of a golden neutral palette and all those warm shades. I'm like, you know what? I feel like I have already all those shades, and I wasn't really crazy about it until I finally got to see it in real life and play around with it today, and I am in love. I don't know what it is about it. I really love, love, love all those mustards and those antique kind of rustic golds. I think it's very different, and it's not just your boring kind of neutral palette, because there are those warm shades, but there's also those cool mustardy antique rustic gold shades. But I really, really like it, and I'm really excited to keep playing with it. So this is the look that I created using this palette. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. The first shade I'm picking up is Keeper. I'm starting off with my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush to apply the shadow through my crease. This is going to be my transition shade. And I'm just going back and forth. And then doing a little circular motion to start blending that out. I'm now going into Sting. First with my E25 blending brush by Sigma, I'm going to pack this on to my outer corner. It doesn't really have to be super neat because I am going to be covering that up, but I just want that as a base on my outer corner. And then I'm going to start doing a little circular motion to start bringing that shadow up and through my crease. And then do that same thing on my inner corner of my lid, packing that on right there, and I'm leaving that middle area empty. And then I'm going to start concentrating on blending this shadow out. I also am going to go back and forth and just pick up a little bit more shadow, so I'm going to do that off camera, but I'm going to tell you how I do it. So I'm just going to keep packing on that shadow, picking up a little bit more, packing that on right here, and then blending that through the crease. And then I always bring back that same shadow that I applied at the very beginning at the very high point and just blend that out. Now while I'm using those same two shadows, I'm picking up Keeper on my E54 Medium Sweeper brush by Sigma and running this along my entire lash line. And then picking up Sting on that same brush and just applying this a little bit closer to my lash line just to deepen that up and darken it, and then I'm going to smoke that down. I'm now picking up Queen. I'm now going to apply this on that inner half of my lid. And then I'm applying this on this outer half right here. Well, it's not really half, it's like a quarter or a third. And I'm kind of just dragging that up a little bit right into where my crease is going to fold over, because I'm going to blend that out so it nicely blends into the shadows that I'm using. And then I just take my blending brush and just lightly, with a really, really light hand, just blend the edges. That just helps it diffuse into the crease shadow. And for the center of my lid, I'm picking up Golden. And then right in the center, just applying this color. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love this combination. It looks like such a pretty kind of antique look. And then just tap in between the shadows to blend them in. And then again, just lightly blend to diffuse that. To line my waterline, I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Goldmine. And lastly, just to line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into the Salon Perfect X Brittany Bare Makeup Lashes in Exotic. And that's the eye look done. For my lips, I actually want to try out a new liquid lipstick that I've never tried out yet, but the shade looks so pretty. So this is the Carity Lip Lock in Sugary Sweet. The name is so cute, and the packaging is really, really pretty. I really like it. So I'm excited to see how this is. And that is it. This is a completed look of my antique gold halo smoky eye using the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love, love, love how the look turned out. I'm really, really liking those antique kind of golden shades and those mustard shades. I'm really, really, really loving it. I'm definitely going to keep playing around with this palette. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss those next looks that I'm going to be posting with this palette. So if you want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to shop away easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!